Hi Ryan, my name is Dr. John. Nice to meet you. Now we're here to help you improve your smile. Tell us how we can help you. What could change you?
Well, I always was conscious about my crooked teeth, and I also don't like the color. And hopefully, I was also thinking of improving the shape.
Okay, so what we're going to do is use Smile Geni, an AI smile transformation tool that will help us show you what's possible. Okay? Within seconds. How does that sound?
Yeah, sounds good.
Great. Okay, Brian, give me a big smile. So we're going to take the photo. And we're now going to upload it. So Brian, that's your Smile Geni results.
Oh, wow.
Now, what we can do, if we don't like it, we can improve the results. We can download it for you for your record. We can also engage and interact with the whitening studio that will show you what the result will look like.
Yeah.
If we whiten them as they are, and that's before, and that's the after result. Welcome back, Ryan. You excited to see your smile transformation with Virtual Smile Simulator?
Yes.
Right. Do you remember last time you saw you, we used Smile Geni, an AI smile transformation tool to show you how we can enhance your smile by broadening your smile, straightening your smile, widening your smile, and also improving the shape of your teeth. Now we've taken all the photos and the STL file scans that you had done to be able to show you how we're going to improve your smile by showing you what the orthodontics would look like with the clear aligners, showing you what veneers would look like. And we can also guide the preparation. So we want to do minimal preparation. So you can see how the veneer option is still a nice option, but it leaves your middle arch narrow. So if we do and go to the combined clan and show you what the aligners would look like, the fuller smile, and then enhance the teeth with either bonding or veneers, you can see how that's going to give you a better result. But it's hard to show that to you without seeing your face. So that's why we have the 3D simulator to be able to communicate that difference between just doing your veneers or broadening your smile. So when you see it from that perspective, you can see what the veneers will look like, what the aligners will look like, or combining both and really highlight the bubble buffers. So we have all your records stored. Smile Geni is available to access. We also have CodeTreat, where it's the ability to use your radiology for AI diagnostics and treatment planning. And then obviously your smile planning that could be guided with the 3D face on or off. And that's all been created by just a 2D photo of yourself, integrating the STL file or the digital data in place. So this is how we can help you understand the pros and cons of both a restorative solution or an alignment solution or a combination of both. How does that sound?
Yeah, fantastic.
Look forward to helping you on your next step.
That sounds great.